Hi, I'm James here at the Netvio booth at ISE 23, where we're showcasing our JP4 AV over IP products. In the range we have one of the only systems to produce both JPEG 2000 and H.264 and H.265 streams, which means that you can stream high quality 4K HDR content to your displays and also pick up 1080p content on any smart device like phones, tablets and PCs. So we're also showing for the first time at ISE our new Netvio dedicated AV over IP switch, which makes AV over IP plug and play and so simple for integrators who are not particularly network savvy to get into AV over IP without having all the difficult configuration of the network. We're also showcasing the Netvio Go app for iOS and for Android. This app is a really great way to control your Netvio system, adds drag and drop switching, and now we're also showcasing video wall control here at the show for the first time. So one of the projects that we've been working on in the UK is the Hooters Liverpool bar. This is the biggest sports bar in the UK with 64 displays streaming 13 skyboxes for sports content, and we're really proud of it, running the Netvio JP4 series with a Go control from our own app. So if you'd like more information, please go to netvio.co.uk.